Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. It is necessary for parents to attend parenting training course to bring their children up. Do you agree or disagree? Raising children is not so easy in today's society where the expectations and outcomes of better nourishment are prioritized. Therefore, the child rearing is not an easy task as the new parents need to spend time with children and deal them with patience. If they attend the training programs, they can add quality in nourishing their children. To start with the need of training programs, nobody can confine parenting to love and care, rather it involves understanding the psychology of children and creating better environment for their development. Many new parents are ignorant of how to manage the behavior of children so that they do not become stubborn and obstinate. There is need to inculcate values, ethics, and mannerisms so that the toddlers become better persons in future. This is the reason countries like Canada, Sweden offer parenting programs at community centers, which results in improvement in parent-child relationship among those who attend. Moreover, these programs are the need of hour as the modern life is different from past, where the presence of joint families used to reduce the burden of new parents because of the elders who used to guide and support the new parents about the challenges faced at that time. However, nowadays, the parents are working and living in nuclear families, which also support the need of these courses. In addition to, the trained parents are aware of the ways to raise the confident, disciplined, and emotionally intelligent children. They do not impose unnecessary restrictions on children by avoiding being overprotecting. These courses act as preventing tool, further making the parents well informed. In conclusion, attending parenting training courses is necessary for modern parents. These prepare the parents to face the challenges in bringing up their children so that they become responsible and better individuals. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.